हरिः शरणम्। अथ जगन्मङ्गलकवचस्तोत्रम्। श्रीगणेशाय नमः। श्रीराधारमणाय नमः। श्रीशरत्कुमार उवाच ब्रूहि मे कवचम् ब्रह्मन् जगन्मङ्गलमङ्गलम् पूज्यम् पुण्यस्वरूपम् च कृष्णस्य परमात्मनः। ब्रह्मोवाच शृणु वक्ष्यामि विप्रेन्द्र कवचम् परमाद्भुतम् श्रीकृष्णेनैव कथितम् मह्यम् च कृपया पुरा। मया दत्तम् च धर्माय तेन नारायणोक्त्यै ऋषिणा तेन तद्दत्तम् सुभद्राय महात्मनि। अतिगुह्यतमम् शुद्धम् परम् स्नेहात् वदाम्यहम् यत् श्रुत्वा पठनात् सिद्धाः सिद्ध्यादि प्राप्नुवन्ति च। एवमिन्द्रादयः सर्वे सर्वैश्वर्यमवाप्नुयुः ऋषि छन्दश्च सावित्री देवो नारायणः स्वयम्। धर्मार्थकाममोक्षेषु विनियोगः प्रकीर्तितः। धर्मार्थकाममोक्षेषु विनियोगः प्रकीर्तितः। ॐ राधेशो मे शिरः पातु कण्ठम् राधेश्वरः स्वयम्। गोपीशश्चक्षुषी पातु तालुम् च भगवान् स्वयम्। गण्डजुग्मम् च गोविन्दः कर्णजुग्मम् च केशवः। गलम् गदाधरः पातु स्कन्धः कृष्णः स्वयम् प्रभुः। वक्षस्थलम् वासुदेव श्चोदरम् चापि सोच्युत। नाभिम् पातु पद्मनाभः कङ्कालम् कंससूदनः। पुरुषोत्तमः पातुम् पुष्कम् नित्यानन्दो नितम्बकम्। पुण्डरीकः पातजुग्मम् हस्तजुग्मम् हरिः स्वयम्। नासाम् च नखदम् पातु नरसिंहः स्वयम् प्रभुः। सर्वैश्वरश्च सर्वाङ्गम् सततम् मधुसूदनः। प्राच्याम् पातु च रामश्च बह्नौ बंशीधरः स्वयम्। पातु दामोदरो दक्षे नैऋत्ये च नरोत्तमः। पश्चिमे पुण्डरीकाक्षो वायव्याम् वामनः स्वयम्। अनन्तश्चोत्तरे पातु ऐशान्यामीश्वरः स्वयम्। जले स्थले चान्तरिक्षे स्वप्ने जागरणे तथा। पातु वृन्दावनेशश्च माम् भक्तम् शरणागतम्। इति ते कथितम् वत्स कवचम् परमाद्भुतम् सुखदम् मोक्षदम् सारम् सर्वसिद्धिप्रदः सताम्। इदम् कवचमिष्टम् च पूजाकाले च यः पठेत् हरिदास्यमवाप्नोति गोलोके वा समुत्तमम्। इहैव हरिभक्तिम् च जीवन्मुक्तो भवेन्नरः। इति नारदपञ्चरात्रि ज्ञानामृतसारी प्रथमैकरात्रि ब्रह्मनारद संवादे जगन्मङ्गलकवचम् सम्पूर्णम्। The great sage Narada, in response to the explanation by his father Brahma, said, "O father, I would like you to reveal to me the great Jaganmangala Kavacha, the process for meditating on Lord Krishna and the process of his worship. O father, all glories to you. Now kindly tell me some more stories that illustrate the glories of Kavacha that the Brahmana boy Subhadra had received." Brahma said, "My dear son, you should hear about the Kavacha that Subhadra had received from your spiritual master, who is the spiritual master of all kinds of transcendental knowledge, Sri Mahadev." So Sanat Kumara said, O Father, you can describe to us whatever kavacha and meditation you wish. Whatever we hear from you is auspicious and beneficial and is certainly meant for the welfare of all people. Brahma said, Sri Narayana Rishi gave the pious Brahmana Subhadra a process of meditation on Krishna and kavacha that are described in Samveda. Om Navina Jaladashyamam Pita Kausheyavasam Chandano Khita Sarvangam Sasmitam Shyamasundaram Malati Malyabhushadhyam Ratna Bhushana Bhushitam Munindresha Susiddhesha Brahmasa Sesha Vanditam Brahmesa Sesha Vanditam Sarvasvarupam Sarvesham Sarvabijam Sanatanam Sarvadyam Api Sarvajñam Purusham Prakrite Param Nirgunam Cha Niriham Cha Nirliptam Ishwaram Bhaje Dhyatva Mulena Tasmai Cha Dadyat Padyadikam Muda. Lord Krishna, Shyamasundara, is dressed in yellow silk cloth. His bodily complexion is dark like a monsoon cloud. His entire body is decorated with sandalwood pulp and he displays a most enchanting smile. He is decorated with a garland of jasmine flowers and jeweled ornaments. He is worshipped by the foremost of sages and perfected beings, beginning with Brahma and Ananta. He is the universal form, the controller of all existence, the original seed of all that the eternal Lord, the origin of everything, and the omniscient Lord who is transcendental to material nature. I worship the Supreme Lord who is transcendental to the material qualities, who is unaffected by the material conditions and who is unattached to the objects of the senses. After meditating upon the Lord in this way, one should offer him padya and other paraphernalia while chanting the Moola Mantra. After finishing the chanting of one's mantras, one should offer prayers to Lord Krishna and recite the Kavacham with devotion. Finally, he should offer obeisances to the Lord by falling flat onto the ground. My dear sons, this is the process of worshipping the Lord and meditating upon Him. What else would you like to hear about? Sanat Kumara said, O Brahmana, kindly reveal to me the greatly purifying Jagan Mangala Mangala Kavacham of Sri Lord Krishna, the super soul of all living entities. Brahma said, O foremost of Brahmanas, kindly hear with attention as I tell you this most wonderful Kavacha. Long ago, the Supreme Lord Krishna had mercifully taught it to me. Thereafter, I revealed it to Dharma, who in turn imparted it to Narayana Rishi. Narayana Rishi later on delivered it to the Brahmana boy Subhadra. Although this Kavacha is very confidential and pure, I will disclose it to you out of affection. Simply by chanting it or wearing it, those who are serious about spiritual advancement achieve all perfection. All of the demigods headed by Indra have attained unsurpassed opulence by reciting this Kavacha or by wearing it around their neck. Lord Narayana is the proprietor of this Kavacha and Gayatri is the meter in which it should be chanted. This Kavacha can be applied in matters of religiosity, economic development, sense gratification, and liberation finally. May the Lord of Radha protect my head. May the controller of Radha protect my throat. May the Lord of the Gopis protect my eyes. May the Supreme Lord personally protect my palate. May Govinda protect my cheeks. May Keshava protect my ears. May Gadadhara protect my shoulders. May Krishna protect my neck. May Vasudeva protect my chest. May Achyuta protect my stomach. May Padmanabha protect my navel. May the killer of Kansa protect my skeleton. May Purushottama protect my back. May Nityananda protect my hips. May Pundarika protect my legs. May Hari protect my hands. May Nrsimhadeva protect my nose and nails. May Madhusudana protect my limbs. May Rama protect me from the east. May the flute player protect me from the southeast. May Damodara protect me from the south. May Narottama protect me from the southwest. May Pundarikaksha protect me from the west. May Vamana protect me from the northwest. May Anantadeva protect me from the north. And may the Supreme Controller protect me from the northeast. May that same Lord protect me in the water, on land, in the sky, during my sleep and during my wakefulness. May the Lord of the Vrindavan, Shri Krishna, protect me while considering me as his devotee and a soul surrendered unto him. O my son, I have thus revealed to you the most glorious Kavacha. One who recites this most coveted Kavacha, which is very pleasing to the devotees and which awards all protection, including liberation, during the time of puja, can easily go back to Golaka after obtaining devotional service to Lord Hari in the mood of servitorship. Such a person becomes a pure devotee of Lord Krishna and achieves liberation in this very lifetime.